What's up guys, Jacob from FuelTech USA, and today we're going to show you guys how to use the internet remote tuning feature that's built into FTManager. So the internet remote tuning is something that a lot of the guys already use. A lot of people don't even know it's in there. You'll try to use TeamViewer, another third-party thing to log in your computer. But the internet remote tuning is built right in the FuelTech software. That's all you need to link up with someone else's FuelTech if you need to adjust a tune, look at a data log, or vice versa. You need somebody to check out your tune, or you got questions on a log, you want somebody to log in there with you and look at it. This is a super nice tool for that. And the way we're gonna kind of show you guys how this works, I'm gonna call my buddy Manny. He's needing help with a log, and I'm gonna log in there with him and let you guys see both sides of it. So I've got the software open on my side. I'm gonna call Mr. Manny now, and we're gonna log in his computer. And this is something anybody can do. It doesn't have to be a FuelTech tech support person, whatever. If you have the FuelTech software, you can log in whoever else is FuelTech when they give you the number to log in.
Hello?
Hey.
Hey, what's going on?
You need me to hop in there and look at a log?
Yeah, can you check this log out? I need some help with it.
All right, you know how to get to the remote tuning?
Yeah, and I got a number ready for you.
Okay, what's the number?
That number is 556-376.
All right, so I'm on his computer now. You guys can see, you got my screen here, and you can see his screen there. And this is how you guys can log in with someone else's computer, have someone log in with yours. You can go over the log. Like this one, for example, like maybe need some help. Like we see he's targeting 11 pounds and doesn't get there. Maybe you need help diagnosing, something like that. But when you log in with the remote software, you have full control of their computer. Like I can go to his Google Chrome or whatever. And then we can, let's say, open the map from the log. This is the tune that was in that log. We can read the ECU, write the ECU, everything from here. I mean, it's just like I'm on his computer. Like it's like I'm right there with it. All right, so something for you guys to keep in mind if you're struggling to connect, make sure you have good Wi-Fi. Home Wi-Fi or Starlink's always preferred. You can get by with a hotspot if you have a good carrier and good service. Sometimes just your hotspot doesn't play nice with that computer. If you've got somebody else there and they've got a hotspot you can try. I've done that before and got it to work. Something else for you guys to keep in mind that doesn't require you to be with the ECU. You don't have to be with the car. If you've got the data log on there, if you've got the tune on there you want somebody to look at, you just need an internet connection and you can give it to whoever, tech support, your buddy, your tuner, whoever's working on the car, and they can log in and make adjustments there. You can take it back out of the car and write the ECU or whatever you need to do with it. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps up the internet remote tuning. We tried to give you guys a view of both sides, you or who you're logging in with, or vice versa. If you guys got any more questions on that, let us know. Of course, like, subscribe, share, leave us a comment if there's something else you want to see, and we will see you guys next Tuesday.